Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make time pass faster. We all experience moments when time seems to drag, whether it's during a long commute or a tedious task. The key is to shift your perception and engage your mind. By actively participating in your day, you can transform slow moments into more dynamic ones. Let's explore some effective strategies to make your hours feel like minutes and enhance your overall experience. One of the most powerful ways to speed up time is to immerse yourself in engaging activities. When you're truly absorbed, your brain isn't focused on the clock. Think about a hobby you love, like painting or playing a sport. Hours can feel like mere moments. Learning something new, such as a foreign language or a musical instrument, also demands your full attention, making time fly by. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused engagement each day. Your mindset plays a crucial role in how you perceive time. Practicing mindfulness, even for just 5 to 10 minutes daily, helps you stay present and less aware of the clock. When you have clear, achievable goals, your mind is occupied with progress rather than waiting. Reframe challenging situations. Instead of seeing them as obstacles, view them as opportunities for growth. This shift in perspective can make even mundane tasks feel more purposeful and less drawn out. Optimizing your environment can significantly impact your perception of time. A clutter-free and distraction-free space allows for greater focus, making tasks feel less arduous. Introducing variety into your daily routine, perhaps by taking a different route to work or trying a new recipe, can break monotony. Finally, connecting with friends and family through engaging conversations or shared activities is a fantastic way to make time pass quickly and enjoyably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.